Lynn Virginia Bright, case 22 TA 2671 FY. Count 1 is possession of methamphetamine or ecstasy, second or subsequent offense. Count 2 is retail fraud in the third degree, second or subsequent offense. And she's charged as an habitual offender, fourth offense. Okay, let me swear you in. Raise your right hand. Solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth to the best of your knowledge, understanding, and belief.
Yes, I do, sir.
What is your full legal name?
Courtney Lynn Virginia Bright.
Spell that for my court recording.
COURTNEYLEYVIRGINIA
How old are you?
32.
Okay, Mr. Skinner, this is your client.
Judge, for the record, Jeff Skinner, Ms. Bright was interviewed earlier today by Attorney Vicari regarding count felony complaint, of course, count 1, offense on controlled substance violation that elevates potential penalty from 10 to 20 years. Count 2 is retail fraud first degree. There are at least 3, I guess, and maybe more than 3 prior retail fraud financial transaction convictions, so that would elevate what ordinarily would be a 93-day misdemeanor to a 5-year felony. Finally, there is a habitual offender fourth offense notice that just several prior felony convictions. And that would take count 1 if convicted of same from a 20-year to life or any term of years. She was advised of her constitutional rights by Attorney Vicari. Will enter a not guilty plea to counts 1 and 2. Judge, yes, she's going to need an attorney. And she is on probation right now. Apparently there's a pending violation.
So there's a hold.
That's where we're at. Thank you.
There's a hold.
My guess is that gotta be a hold, and maybe next stop is Huron Women's Facility.
Okay. Ma'am, is it true that your lawyer, one of your lawyers went over the charges, the penalties, and your rights?
Yes.
Do you feel you understand the charges and the penalties and your rights?
Yes, I do.
Do you want me to go over the charges, penalties, and your rights? I didn't hear your answer.
No, it's okay. You don't have to.
I'm going to find the defendants knowingly and voluntarily waive the reading of the charges, penalties, and rights. I'm going to go ahead and appoint a lawyer to represent you. And I want the jail to tell me if there's some kind of a hold with the probation violation or what the bond is or whatever.
I have
Also,
court.
I'm going to go ahead.
I have court at 1:30, Judge. I'm trying to get a
In front
bond.
of who?
In front of Judge Kelly.
Mhm.
I just had a baby. I'm trying to get a bond, Your Honor.
Mm. All right, your probable cause conference is going to be October 6th at 8:30 in the morning. You're going to be in front of Judge Gwen.
Okay.
Judge G. David Gwen. You will be on Zoom. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, well, I need to know if there's a hold. Somebody needs to tell me if there's a hold.
He's coming. He's coming, Judge.
Yes, sir, there is a hold. She coincidentally has court today at 1:30 in front of Judge Kelly. Probation violation hearing. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, well. I am going to order no alcohol, marijuana, or drugs. And you're to have drug testing, no weapons, firearms, no ammunition. And if you get out, you would be on alcohol tether.
Okay.
Since there's a hold, I'm going to do a no bond. So that takes care of that. All
So
right,
I don't have-
now, you can step out of there.
No bond?
Go ahead and step
Yeah,
out.
no bond, no bond.
How many times you gotta tell you?
Well, you know, twice.